Avoid using excess water when cleaning delicate fabrics to prevent water stains. Start by identifying the fiber content from the care label or, if unknown, by performing a burn or feel test on a hidden scrap to distinguish natural fibers from synthetics. Use the least wet method that will work, such as applying a small amount of diluted mild detergent or a solvent on a white cotton cloth and working outward from the stain edge toward the center to avoid rings. For many protein or plant fibers, pre-testing in an inconspicuous spot for colorfastness and shrinkage is essential before any wet cleaning. If water is necessary, work with distilled or deionized water because minerals in tap water can leave marks. Blot with a clean white towel rather than rub to lift soil while avoiding agitation that can spread moisture unevenly. For stains that repel water or where wetting causes dye migration, use a solvent-based spotter formulated for textiles and follow the manufacturer directions, ventilating the area and testing first. 3 common mistakes cause water rings: applying too much liquid at once, which pools and dries unevenly, scrubbing, which spreads moisture and abrades fibers, and skipping a colorfastness test, which leads to bleeding or faded patches. To prevent pooling, work with a small damp application and immediate blotting until no more transfer appears on the towel. Instead of scrubbing, use repeated blot and lift motions with a clean, absorbent pad to move moisture out of the fabric. Always test a hidden area and wait for that test spot to fully dry so you can see the true result before proceeding to the visible area. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where users share real cleaning experiences and advice. We help contractors find work by making it easy to engage with homeowners and participate in topic threads about fabric care and stain prevention.